X squared minus 5x plus 6 over x minus 3. All right, so here's the deal. If we can factor out the top, then you got to factor it out. So let's practice on this type a minute ago. Sorry, can't talk this morning. Let's practice on this type. If we got x squared, let me make one up, minus 3x minus 27. Let's see if you guys forgot how to do this. All right, how would y'all factor out this problem? It's something y'all learned last year in 9th grade. All right, that's got to be an x and that's got to be an x because they've got to times together to equal x squared. What would go here and here? Why would 9 times 3 go there? Well, what's Wesley talking about? Because 9 times 3 equals 27. Okay, crap, I messed up. My bad. I meant for it to be a 6. My bad. I did it in my head. All right. So 9 times 3 equals 27. How do I get the 6? Actually, that's negative 6, right? So how do we get negative 6? If you add negative 9 plus 3, you get negative 6. Remember that? I'm going to give you another one. I'm not going to mess up this time. X squared, let's go plus 4x. Let's go minus 45. Right, this one's going to work. How would we factor this one? Y'all know it's x times x because that's got to equal the first number. Why 9 and 5, Lexi? That gives you 45. Now, go ahead.
Plus 9 minus 5.
All right, he's right. Why can't I do plus 5 minus 9? Because if you add 5 and negative 9, it gives you negative 4, and we got to have positive 4. So it's positive 9 and negative 5. There we go. All right, so that's just a basic review of what y'all should already know on the factoring. So let's go back now and do this one. All right, so now what we've got on the top is x squared minus 5x plus 6. All right, so we know it's x times x. What numbers can I times together and get 6? Your options are 1 and 6 or 2 and 3. How do I know which one to use? Well, normally, guys, it's the ones that are closest together. Normally. So we're going to put 2 and 3. All right, that gives me the 6. How do I get the negative 5?
Both of them negative.
Weston's got it. All right, now the rule y'all heard last year and in Algebra 1. Here's the rule. If the second sign's a plus, these signs have to be the same. If this second sign's a minus, then these signs have to be different. That will help you. So y'all know these signs got to be the same. They both got to be a minus. All right, so once you do that, you can mark that one out. All right, so from here, what did we do on the last problem? Why do we mark out x minus 3's? Because they're the same. They cancel out. What's left over? All right, so I need you guys to graph that by rise over run, just like we did on the last problem. All right, where do I start? Negative 2. What's my rise over run? Up 1 over 1. Good. Boom, boom, boom. Draw your line. Now we got to find where the hole is. So, what did we do to find where the hole was on the last problem? All right, good. The hole's going to be whatever you crossed out. And since I crossed out x minus 3, I write it down. I move minus 3 over and make it a positive 3. So if I'll go to 3 on the x-axis, 1, 2, 3, follow it up to where it hits my line, that's going to be my hole. All right, and now all I got to do, if I can get this going, I'm going to, Molly, help me. This morning, okay, there it is. How about that? All right, so now I got my hole right there. You don't have to erase your line going through the hole. I just think it looks better. All right, so most kids think these are easier on the test than the others. It is much shorter.
I can do this more in my head.
Just